Unlock your MacBook's money-making potential. Learn how to earn cash with your Apple device. Are you tired of your MacBook just sitting on your desk, being used for mundane tasks like browsing the web or editing photos? Well, it's time to unlock its true potential and turn it into a cash-generating machine. In this exciting tutorial, we'll show you how to harness the power of your MacBook to make money like never before. Step 1. Tap into the world of freelancing. With your MacBook's powerful capabilities, you can become a freelancer in various fields. Whether you're a talented graphic designer, a skilled writer, or a master coder, there are numerous platforms that connect freelancers with clients seeking their expertise. Step 2. Dive into the realm of online entrepreneurship. Your MacBook can be your gateway to creating and managing your own online business. From e-commerce to digital products and services, there's an opportunity for everyone. Step 3. Embrace the world of content creation. YouTube, podcasts, blogging, and social media have revolutionized the way people consume information and entertainment. Your MacBook can be your content creation hub, enabling you to share your knowledge and passions with the world. Step 4. Tap into the gig economy. From ride-sharing to food delivery, there are numerous platforms that allow you to earn money on your own schedule. With your MacBook by your side, you can efficiently manage your gigs, track earnings, and optimize your performance. Step 5. Invest wisely with your MacBook. Your Apple device can be a powerful tool for researching investment opportunities, managing your portfolio, and staying up to date with market trends. So, whether you're looking to embark on a freelancing career, launch your own online business, become a content creator, participate in the gig economy, or make smart investments, your MacBook holds the key to unlock your money-making potential. Don't let your MacBook gather dust. Unlock its true potential and start making money today.